let's look at naming angles. Sometimes we'll have various angles represented in one diagram, as you can see here on the slide. We can see there's an angle with a green, an angle with yellow, and an angle with purple. We could also have another angle over here. Sorry, I got the wrong pen color there. Another angle over there, but they're not talking about that one on this particular slide. So if you want to show which angle you're talking about, you need to learn how to name angles. So let's look at this one over here, this green one. If we were to name this angle here, we would have to tell people what the two arms on either side are, and we'd have to use the vertex in the middle. So we use a 3-letter system to name angles. This one over here would be QMN, because M's the vertex. It gets the angle sign on top, and it means it's from Q to N. Or we could go the other way around. It would still be correct. We could go NMQ. We could go NMQ. And they would still know we're talking about that angle that we've written in green on this particular diagram. So let's look at some of them. We've got a yellow one to name, a purple one, and a green one. We've already done the green one, but let's look at it again. So we've got it here as QMN with that little angle sign on top, or the reverse of it, NMQ. As long as you're telling them which the sides are named, and the angle is always in the middle. Okay, the vertex is in the middle. Let's look at another one. We've got a yellow one and a purple one to name. Let's do purple next. That will be PML, or LMP in the opposite direction. And they would be written like that there, with the angle sign on the vertex. So I'm sure by now you can do the yellow one. Let's have a look at it. PMQ or QMP. Okay, those are the two different directions in which the angle can be read. As long as M is the vertex, because that's what the vertex is named on this particular diagram. Right, so let's name this one. I'm sure you've guessed it by now. It's very easy. This naming of angles is very easy. Did you say ABC or CBA? ABC, CBA. And then don't forget the angle sign on the vertex, the middle letter. Next one. They want us to name the yellow angle. So try that one. Did you say XYZ or ZYX? If you did, you're correct. And don't forget the angle on the vertex, the angle sign. Right, try this one. Okay, so PQR or RQP. PQR, RQP. Okay, I think you've got the idea now. Very easy. And whenever you use geometry and angles, you're going to use this naming system with the 3 letters and the little angle sign on the vertex in the middle letter. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Try and press subscribe if you're not already one of my regular followers, and join the students who are succeeding with my lectures.